Oh hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle, also known as kraziicurls on Instagram and Twitter. Make sure that you check me out on those platforms, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell on this channel. Listen, these are my final results. My hair is defined, my hair has shine, my hair has volume. I am in love, but it was a struggle to get here. So this is what my hair looks like before styling. I had my hair in a few braids and I took them out. My hair is definitely feeling very dry, so let's fix that. Of course, starting with the bottom section of my hair and splitting that in two. Adding water is definitely key. Water is everything for my hair. Now using my wide tooth comb to detangle, get every single tangle out is also very important, especially when doing a wash and go. But as an extra step, I like to use my Denman brush too, just to make sure all the tangles are really out. But this is a red flag. If your hair is supposedly wet, it should not look like this. That just means for me that I did not add enough water, so keep watching. Going in with the Super Curl by Uncle Funky's Daughter, this moisturizing cream does just that, moisturizes your hair. The hydration that I feel after putting it on is amazing. It's thick in consistency, which is what I love, and just makes my hair feel amazing. So that is what I'm using as a base. And on top, I'm using the Curly Magic. This aloe-based gel has amazing slip. It gives your hair amazing shine, and it also gives you amazing definition and great hold. So this is definitely one of my go-to gels. Now, after applying both products, this is not what your hair should look like. This is not what I am used to. So clearly something is going on and we are going to try to figure it out. The Denman brush is a tool I always use because it defines my curls and it distributes the product and it activates my curls. So with that said, I'm adding more water. I'm not adding more product, but I'm adding more water and I'm using the Denman brush and even tilting it, with my wrist to make sure that I activate the curls, but it is not working. And this is the back. The middle is defined, the two sides are not, and that's a big no-no. I decided to still push forward and just continue styling my hair. I didn't have a lot of time. I was kind of rushing the process, but overall I thought I was adding enough water, and clearly that wasn't the case, because if you check out a video I have linked up top, which is the first video of me ever using these two products, my results are popping, and I didn't even use a Denman brush. I just raked the products through my curls. But you'll see the difference. I added a whole bunch of water. So because my hair wasn't soaked, this is the results that I had, and my hair will dry just like this because I didn't add enough water. This section, however, is different, and you can tell. And after passing the Denman brush, look at my curls. This is the key to having a successful wash and go. Soaking your hair in water, at least for me, is what I need. I can't style my hair on damp hair. I can't style my hair when it's damp because that is what will happen. My curls will not be defined, my hair will come out frizzy and poofy. So this is just my attempt of trying to fix the other sections in the back. I was in a rush. Listen, I tried to do the best I could. At the end of the day, it didn't really work out for me. My hair was 50% dry after I ran errands and it looked a hot mess. That section looks pretty cool, and the next section looks pretty decent. But I ended up coming back home and restyling my hair, and I actually went section by section and shingled each section. If you don't know how to shingle, I have that video linked up top and down below so you can check it out. But look at the difference. Look at that side view. Talking about popping curls. This is before, this is what the back looked like. The definition mostly on my ends. But when I shingled, you really see that curl definition everywhere. So the biggest takeaways for me would be add a lot of water. If your hair looks a hot mess, soak it in water. I showed you what your hair should look like. So You can go from there. But another big takeaway is to switch up the technique. If you see that your hair is 50% dry and you have time to restyle it, do that. Because this is the final results. After shingling my hair, I have amazing curl definition. I have shine. I have volume. I have minimal frizz. I can attribute that to just messing with my hair and all that good stuff. Look at me. I can't. But if you want to save your wash and go, make sure that if you style that first section and it looks crazy, or if you're halfway through and it still looks crazy, change up the technique. Finger coil, shingle, go section by section, use smaller sections, and use a lot of water. If any of these tips, tricks work for you, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you for tuning in. Love you.